Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're going to start by confirming essentials. Make sure your carrier plan includes 5G and your SIM is 5G capable. Once done, open Settings and update Android and carrier settings so the radio supports new bands. This avoids connection issues. Next, turn on mobile data and ensure airplane mode is off. Those are quick checks that let the phone search for 5G cells immediately. Finally, restart the device so the modem reloads carrier profiles and can register on 5G towers. Now you configure the phone to actually use 5G. Go to Network and Internet, pick the active SIM, and set preferred network type to 5G/4G/3G or automatic so the radio can latch to 5G when available. Then check the APN details. Carriers sometimes require a specific APN for 5G data. Edit host, MMSC, and protocol if your carrier provided values. Once saved, toggle mobile data off and on to force a re-registration. You should see a 5G indicator when you're near compatible coverage. Finally, verify and troubleshoot. Run a speed test to confirm higher throughput. 5G will typically show lower latency and faster download speeds versus LTE. If you don't see 5G, make sure you are in a coverage area, then try toggling the preferred network to force a reconnection or reboot the phone. If problems persist, reset network settings. This clears APNs and radios. Then re-enter carrier APN values and restart. That usually clears registration errors and restores 5G access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.